Chakras are energy centers within our bodies. They are vital for our physical and emotional well-being. Think of them as spinning wheels of energy, constantly influencing our lives. When these energy centers are balanced and open, we experience harmony and vitality. Imagine energy flowing freely through your body, nourishing every cell. This is the power of balanced chakras. They connect our physical selves to our spiritual selves. This connection is crucial for overall health and happiness. Chakras can become blocked due to stress, negative emotions, or environmental factors. This blockage can manifest as physical or emotional imbalances. By understanding our chakras, we can take steps to restore balance and harmony. This journey of self-discovery is empowering and transformative. There are 7 main chakras, each with a specific color and location in the body. The root chakra, red, is at the base of the spine and governs security. The sacral chakra, orange, in the lower abdomen, relates to creativity. The solar plexus chakra, yellow in the upper abdomen, is the center of personal power. The heart chakra, green in the chest, governs love and compassion. The throat chakra, blue in the throat, is for communication. The third eye chakra, indigo between the eyebrows, governs intuition. The crown chakra, violet at the top of the head, connects us to higher consciousness. Different crystals resonate with different chakras, offering unique healing benefits. For the root chakra, grounding stones like red jasper and garnet can enhance stability and security. Carnelian and orange calcite are excellent choices for balancing the sacral chakra, promoting creativity and emotional well-being. Citrine and yellow topaz can energize the solar plexus chakra, boosting self-confidence and personal power. For the heart chakra, green aventurine and rose quartz can foster love, compassion, and emotional healing. Sodalite and blue lace agate can soothe the throat chakra, enhancing communication and self-expression. Amethyst and lapis lazuli are powerful stones for activating the third eye chakra, enhancing intuition and spiritual awareness. Clear quartz and selenite are ideal for connecting with the crown chakra, promoting spiritual growth and higher consciousness. Choosing the right crystal can amplify its healing potential. By understanding the specific properties of each crystal, we can tailor our healing practices to address individual needs. This personalized approach can lead to profound transformations in our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Section 4. Practical steps for crystal healing. Using crystals for chakra healing is a simple yet powerful practice. Begin by selecting a crystal that resonates with the chakra you wish to balance. Find a quiet space where you can relax without distractions. Hold the crystal in your hand or place it directly on the corresponding chakra. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, focusing on the energy of the crystal. Visualize the crystal's energy flowing into the chakra, clearing any blockages and restoring balance. You can also incorporate affirmations or mantras to enhance the healing process. Continue this practice for 10 to 15 minutes, or as long as feels comfortable. Afterward, gently remove the crystal and express gratitude for its healing energy. Drink plenty of water to help integrate the energy and flush out any toxins. Consistency is key when it comes to crystal healing. Regular practice can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. Remember to cleanse your crystals regularly to maintain their energetic purity. Section 5. Personal experiences and testimonials. Many individuals have experienced profound transformations through crystal healing. Some report feeling more grounded and secure after working with root chakra stones. Others describe increased creativity and emotional balance after using sacral chakra crystals. Some individuals have experienced a boost in self-confidence and personal power after working with solar plexus chakra stones. Many report feeling more open and compassionate after using heart chakra crystals. Others describe improved communication and self-expression after working with throat chakra stones. Some individuals have experienced enhanced intuition and spiritual awareness after working with third eye chakra stones. Many report feeling more connected to their spiritual selves after using crown chakra crystals. These personal experiences highlight the transformative potential of crystal healing. Sharing these stories can inspire others to explore the benefits of crystal healing. Each individual's journey is unique, but the underlying principle remains the same. Crystals can be powerful tools for self-discovery and healing. Embracing the healing power of crystals. Crystals offer a gentle yet powerful path towards healing. By understanding chakras and crystals, we can restore balance. This journey is both empowering and transformative. Embrace the healing power of crystals and embark on self-discovery.